After teaching online for almost a decade, it occurred to me that something can be done that will help students do well. And that is why I wrote this book. You may be an online student. You may be thinking to take a class online, or you may know somebody that is taking an online class. This book is not only going to help them succeed in their courses, but it's going to help them succeed in other areas of life. I always tell my students, school is a controlled experiment of what happens in the real world. For example, exams are given to test if you've understood the material. However, the exams that life gives you, you don't have time or any cheat sheet to take those ones. That is why when you start learning how to connect the dots of what you learn in school and how real life works, you're going to do well. And this book tries to do that, to bridge the real world and school. It's not just about studies. The other thing I tell my students is this: 5 to 10 years from today, nobody will care about your grades. I'm not saying don't get good grades. What I'm saying is that you're going to need more than good grades to be successful. Grab this book. There's a special promotion going on right now. You can go on Kindle and get the book for free. It's going to end on Tuesday. Here's your window to download the book. Follow the link below and grab your copy. Thank you for watching. Share it. And when you read the book, all I ask of you is a review. There's no catch. God bless you.